Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. I just finished sealing our pavers and we used the McKinnon paver sealer. It turned out awesome. Let me show you.
I absolutely love that this product is so easy to use. So first we pressure cleaned, then we sanded our pavers. After that, we put the sealer into a pump sprayer and simply sprayed it on. Once we had a portion of it sprayed, we back rolled it. And this was really easy to use. It dries clear, but as you are spraying it, it has a little bit of a purple hue, which is perfect because you can see the areas that you have to back roll. I love how durable this product has been. We have pool parties and a lot of eating on these pavers, barbecues, and so it was important that we had a product that was going to be durable and protect our pavers. You'll see that I do put some teriyaki sauce on it. I let it sit and it simply washes right off. So I would highly recommend this product. It has worked fantastic. We have a whole new area of pavers that we have to do, so we're going to be getting to work on that. And so 10 out of 10, I would highly recommend this product. It has been wonderful.
And that's my point of view.